Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota. And guys, no matter how much you try, even here in South Florida, sometimes the weather and your schedule just don't play. That is one of many reasons why we love Boston Whaler, and the details and the quality come out to play around those days that are less than perfect. Guys, this is a brand new 24 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, and oh my gosh, does she have some cool features. But it starts in the back. Mercury just debuted the V10 motors in 350 and 400 horsepower, and this has the 400s. If there was ever one thing you could say about the 33 Outrage, it just didn't snap out of the hole. Well, those days are gone. These 400s turn this boat into a close to 60-mile-an-hour rocket ship. And that makes it very, very doable for both the sandbar fun party days as well as fishing. You're going to see this cooler underneath the summer kitchen area. Guys, this is a light option version of this, but it works incredibly well for the people that aren't hardcore fishing. You don't need as much of that. And that cooler is just awesome. It comes in and out of the boat so easily, and you're not missing anything taking away a live well or something like that, because the 33 has one of my favorite. A huge transom live well in the back. Literally, it is huge. You could probably put a small person in there. The back seat, one of the best places on this boat. And guys, this has stepped up in luxury. And the reason why that V10 that's on the back of the boat is the quietest, literally the quietest motor Mercury has ever built in their entire history. The Helm, another incredible place to be. This one has been done up in full acrylic, touchscreen screens from Simrad that play with your sonar, your radar, everything that you have, and of course this joystick. You'd be missing out if it wasn't. This is a tilt helm, and guys, this boat has been optioned with a spotlight, and this little thing is all you're going to have on your dash now, because your stereo controls are on screen. Of course, this boat has premium audio. Let's check out the front. I have always talked about and loved these. This lounger is a huge center part on the front of this boat. It is incredibly comfortable in nearly all weather. It really, really is, unless it's pouring rain. And underneath it is a monstrous storage well. Absolutely monstrous. That is one thing you never have on boats, is enough storage. And if any boat is going to come close, it's the 33. If you're going to set this boat up with a filler or a table forward, this area faces back very well. The seating is very nice. You have the windlass, your grab rails, everything else you expect at the front. This boat fishes incredibly. This boat pulls the family incredibly, and it is a ton of fun. Guys, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota. If you want to know a little bit more, give us a shout.